Hey, in this quick comparison, we're looking at the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 and the E10, so you can figure out which one is the better fit for your home. Both of these are budget-friendly vacuums, and they do everyday cleaning pretty well, but they're aimed at slightly different types of rooms and different users. So, starting with navigation, the E5 uses a gyroscope system, which works okay but isn't super precise. The E10 uses visual navigation, and yeah, it moves a lot smarter and covers the room more efficiently. For suction power, the E10 usually comes out stronger. That makes it better for carpets, dustier homes, or places with pets. Both vacuums can mop, but the E10 has better water control and gives more even coverage. The E5 can mop, but it's pretty basic. Battery life is actually a win for the E5. Because it uses simpler navigation and lower suction, it usually lasts a bit longer on a single charge. The E10 uses more power to clean more intelligently. Blankets work with the Xiaomi Home app, and you can schedule cleanings or adjust suction. But the E10 gives you a more accurate map because of its improved navigation system. Overall cleaning performance leans toward the E10. It's more systematic and picks up more dirt per pass. Control-wise, the E5 is cheaper and gives good value if you just need simple cleaning. The E10 costs a little more, but the extra features really do pay off long-term. So yeah, the quick breakdown is, the E5 is great for smaller apartments and light cleaning. The E10 is better for larger homes, mixed floors, and more efficient cleaning. Kang, that's the comparison. Hopefully this helps you choose the right vacuum for your space. Thanks for watching.